Hey, I'm Zaraya, and if you're a stay-at-home mom like me and you're just trying to figure out how to make some extra money from home without losing your mind, I see you. I was in the exact same spot not that long ago. I became a stay-at-home mom with big dreams, but barely any time. I wanted to contribute financially, but I couldn't commit to a 9 to 5. I tried so many things. Freelancing as a graphic designer, becoming a notary, doing photography for people's events and photo shoots for their business brands, driving for DoorDash, driving for Instacart. It wasn't until I started playing around in Canva that everything kind of clicked. I realized that I could take small pockets of time and create something simple, like a set of stickers, templates for planners, ebooks, and sell it over and over again. What I'm talking about is creating and selling digital products. And y'all, it's a game changer. Like I said, I now create digital products using Canva templates. And it's nothing fancy and it's nothing complicated. It's just practical designs that any businesswoman or mom can create and sell or create and use for themselves. What is a digital product? A digital product is something that you create digitally. So on your phone, on your computer, on your iPad even, you'll create that product and you can use it or sell it over and over again. The best thing about digital products is there's no inventory, so you don't have to hold anything in your basement. It really doesn't take a lot of time to create, and once you're done creating it, you don't have to recreate it again. It's there forever, and you can sell it infinite amount of times. And my goal is to help other women like me, moms, creatives, or anyone else who feels like they have to choose between their children or their free time and building a future for themselves. You can create something real without working 10 hours plus a day or staying on social media just to get your name out there. This is for moms who want options, creators who's tired of burnout, and for anybody who's starting with just 0 followers. Now, I'm still learning and growing, but I want to take you along with me, how I manage mom life and business, and how you can get started too. No fluff and no pressure. If you want to follow this journey, go ahead and hit subscribe and check out the free resources that I have in this description box below. And most importantly, don't give up because there is something out there for you. If this video helped you feel a little bit more inspired, go ahead and hit that like button so that I know to keep sharing more behind the scenes tips and tricks on how to build your digital product business. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.